We've got him, guys. Bring in the hook.
Howdy, guys. Welcome to another Keep It Reet YouTube episode and another one of your favorite car in the VL Tursky, now with a spicy high boost setting. And we're going to be going to get some HSPs, but we've got another special guest for you because we can't just do it by ourselves. The man.
What up, guys?
Randy Trong from the United States.
Yep. that was good accent. That was good accent. I can't do the Australian accent, so I'm not even gonna bother. But that was tight as.
So,
you saw that? I used the Australian slang.
So we've got this car, which he knows nothing about, once again, which is part of the goodness of this video. But we're also going to get some Australian food, which I keep calling Australian. I still don't know if it's Australian. I'm not going to go on Wikipedia and find out for you, but it's some good stuff, and I know you haven't had it. You've never heard of a halal snack pack or a HSP before, have you?
No, never.
So I'll explain it again. We need like some B-roll to drop over this. So it's it's a plastic packet of goodness. It's chips, chicken salt, lamb and chicken, barbecue sauce, chili sauce, garlic sauce, drizzled all over the top to make the beautiful HSP. It's like a real good late night snack, or like any kebab, but it's also, if you're just feeling like you want to feel dirty, you go out and get one of these.
Oh, I'm feeling dirty.
Yeah, you definitely.
Let's go get some.
So you're going to get a bit of experience. Firstly, the Australian weapon, making bulk power and all the right noises. So we'll get a nice reaction to that, I reckon. And then we'll get the reaction of the beautiful HSP.
So is there a reason why this place says PSI 30?
It is because it has boost in it. And it's supposed to be because it's a RB30.
Oh, I thought.
But now, funnily enough, it's running 30 PSI.
Okay.
31 PSI now.
Oh, okay, nice. So we got to change this plate to 31.
Yeah, we're going to have to change it.
All right, let's go.
Enjoy it.
I have no idea what to expect. I fucking love it. Oh, let's do that again.
We'll get a bit of room.
Yeah, hold on. Let's put this window up. My hair is flying everywhere. Oh God.
It's so crispy now on high boost.
Wow.
It's almost too much. We can't get grip anymore.
I love when the car gets rowdy. That's like my favorite thing. How much on throttle were you?
That was like half to 3/4.
Okay, cool.
Couldn't get grips.
I wish there wasn't any traffic.
Yeah, I know.
I wanted balls to the wall. I told my buddy, driving in Japan, like driving on the left side is okay in Japan. But for some reason I'm here and it kind of looks like America. So like when when I forget paying attention, I'm like, oh shoot, I'm on the left side, and it throws me off and I freak out.
If we try low boost, I reckon, see if we can get some grip.
Yeah, okay, cool. That was fun. That was it.
Yeah.
That was it. Oh my God.
Put the grip down, that's a bit better.
Yeah.
That's 10 PSI left.
That's, oh my God. It's crazy to think that this is an RB.
Yeah.
I want to swap an RB30 into something. So how did this do, like on the drag strip?
I did it 10-2.
10
quarter mile.
Quarter mile, nice.
So I reckon now to do a 9-second pass.
I don't know, I did my first drag strip race and it's scary.
It is, yeah.
Yeah, it's scary.
I think once you do a few and you get somewhat comfortable, you're like, oh, okay, this is all right.
Yeah.
But when you get the grip off the line, I think is the most intense bit.
Yeah.
If you get it to really hook up,
yeah,
it just throws you in your seat because you don't lose any traction when it's on that full prep surface.
I did it in Vegas and it was cold. It was cold. My tires were not gripping up. So with a little bit more practice coming back.
What car?
My 34.
Yep.
Yeah.
What does that make?
It makes 661 to the wheels.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. There's room to make more, but we maxed out the injectors. But like, I don't want to go back and make more. I want to make more just to say that we can on the K-swap, but I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna retune the car and make less because that's gonna be my drift car.
Yeah, sick.
Yeah. That's it. That's all I want to do is drift it. Let's go! I fucking love it.
It just doesn't want to hook up.
Oh, it's good. That's it. That's not hooking up, huh?
Pulling.
Oh my goodness. We can keep doing that. I could do that all day. I love it. God damn! Oh, fuck.
There you go. Third gear, it starts to hook up.
Yeah. My 34 too, when I had my little rubber band tires, third gear was when it hooks and actually felt
Yeah.
fast. Holy shit.
Second gear, just like, oh, oh, oh.
Seatbelt's locked now. Holy shit. This thing is sick.
You know what I mean? But it just feels like a bit of a tin can. Like,
Yeah.
because it's old, you can sort of feel, like you can sort of feel everything.
Yeah,
like
no.
a bit more than like, you know, like a 34, everything's just sort of nice. It feels kind of smooth,
Yeah.
even when it gets loose, but these you're like,
This thing
oh my God, we're
this
gonna roll.
thing is freaking rowdy. I love it.
We're about to take off. Freaking like launch control in it.
Oh, you got launch control in this?
It's got a little bit. Haven't really tested it much, so we'll see how it goes.
Test it right now. Let's go! That sounds sick. Oh God, I'm like literally crying.
All right. Don't have to hold on anymore, we're here.
Oh, we're here. Oh, okay. I thought you were gonna
You
say.
can relax a little bit.
Oh no, I love it. I love when I'm just scared and put back into the seat. Oh, all right, we're here.
We made it.
Now time to eat after I pooped my pants.
There's room now.
Good thing you got these seat covers on here.
That's it.
Thanks for the ride, dude. You know what's scarier? Me driving it. Hop in.
G'day, mate. Oh.
Ah, I'm kidding. I don't know either. There's something about hopping in somebody's car and full sending it that I can't do. You know?
Dennis is here. G'day, mate.
Hello, Dennis. I've heard a lot about this place. He said this place is amazing and there's 3 sauces. What's the secret?
Make it with love.
Don't worry, love isn't one of the sauces.
You can get sport in the front as well.
Yeah, keep it right up front.
Yeah.
You guys here.
Yeah, let's do it. So,
What do you guys recommend here?
Are they hungry?
You guys hungry? You guys are good? Would you like to try something, Boop? You guys could try it with me?
You gotta try it out.
Yeah.
Down for it, HSP.
Yeah, you wanna try one out as well? Yeah, he knows. He's been doing his research before he came. You want cheese? No cheese.
I love cheese.
Yeah?
I love cheese.
We'll go. You want cheese? We'll go all cheese.
You deserve cheese. Yeah. And then you guys could film me on the toilet after.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks crazy.
This is sweet chili, this one.
Oh, true. The old sweet chili, huh?
What?
I bitched it.
Cheers, mate.
Here you go, buddy.
It's gone hard on the hot sauce again. There you go, mate.
This looks crazy.
She looks busting.
Yeah, that's what we say in America. Busting.
Busted.
What do you guys call this? HKS? These are your guys.
HSP, mate.
HSP.
Prepare yourself. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Mmm.
See what I mean? They're my magical sauces.
Wow.
It's a little bit spicy, but
Oh, this is not spicy. You want to see spicy? I used to see my butthole after I eat this. Mmm.
the ring of fire is what we call it here in Australia. After this.
The ring of fire. Oh God. Yeah, it's good. There's the fries. I feel like I'd get really fat eating this.
Ooh.
Sada, where's your drink?
I don't know why. For some reason, just the creamy soda. It's the combo of choice lately.
Did somebody drink my water? Okay, cool. Your water tastes like water.
Depend on the sauce and stuff.
It's still, I don't know. I'm not handling it like I used to. I might have to go down to what you did and getting on the sweet chili. The batch. I'm down.
The bitch sauce. You guys have a halal guys?
Oh. Shit.
A what?
Oh,
Fuck it.
halal guys? They got this red sauce. Spice.
Oh yeah.
Literally the spiciest thing. What does keep it Reet mean?
It's a hard one. So it's pretty much, it was like a thing between friends, and it just sort of took off. Reet was like a word we used between friends, like to pay each other out originally. And then there was like the whole thing of keep it street going on, like street drifting and all that. And I wanted to get a mate on track for the first time. It was building his car, so we organised a private day and got him out on track. And we were like, oh, what can we call it? We just like did a bit of a flip off of keep it street and keep it Reet, and that was basically it. Yeah, it did really well. Everyone got around it, and we just kept on booking them and just kept it the same name, and it just stuck ever since.
And now you've kept it.
And now
Reet.
we can't go back.
It makes sense.
That's it.
Oh,
now it's
perfect.
just a vibe. It's just about like, be original, be yourself, no ego.
Nice.
Just have a good time. Bring whatever car you got, and so that everyone support each other. That's about it. Yeah,
That's
it's just
dope. I like
Japan vibes,
Yeah.
You can just rock up, have a good time. You don't have to feel like anyone's like watching over you and like talking shit about you or whatever. Yeah.
I like that. After this, we turn off the camera. All right, guys, we can talk shit about him now. Finally, he's out of here. All right, buddy. Keep it Reet. Oh, stupid. HPS? HKS?
HSP, man.
Oh, fuck.
He's struggling with the.
Yeah.
He's calling a HKS.
Yeah, that's
We're not in Japan, alright?
HKS was amazing. Delicious.
Yeah, good. Feeling it yet? Or?
It was equivalent to like our nacho fries. That's what.
Yeah.
But this is a little different.
But with hot sauce.
Yeah, but with
You
hot
put
sauce.
hot sauce on you? Oh, you
we
don't.
put it on that too.
Oh, you did? Yeah, you couldn't finish it off though.
Yeah, I couldn't.
I didn't eat it. You just can't. You just feel it. He's already been stating that he's been pooping flat out. So.
I have actually. Like, this is my 4th or 5th time today. You guys want to just pass in the camera? I'll show you guys. I'll take you guys to the back.
Time to get back in the weapon, and that's it. So.
Let's do it. You guys got a KFC here?
Yeah.
You guys do know KFC stands for Kentucky Fried Chicken, right?
Yeah, man.
Kentucky's in America.
I made something else here.
Oh, I love the smell of E85. I love cars. Car guys are the same in every country, no matter where you go.
Yeah.
Universal language. I reckon. Are car guys gay? We all like each other and each other's cars, and we all talk to each other. No women in here. Is that a weird thing? I'm just hanging out with dudes all day, but I love it. I'm kidding, I love it.
Hanging with dudes.
Hell yeah, I love hanging with dudes too. This is my job. I hang out with dudes all day. On camera, off camera. I've been naked a few times. Not for the reason you guys would think though, but I've had 2 strikes on my YouTube channel at one point.
Yeah.
Yeah. I love that. All right, so let me ask you a question.
Yes.
Why do you guys throw all this money into these cars, and why do you do what you do?
What do you mean?
You know, I've been asked. I asked the guys in Dubai. I'm curious to hear your answer.
For fun?
For fun, right? Great answer.
Yeah.
That's why I'm still doing it.
That was it. That's
Yeah.
the only reason.
Yeah.
It's the best fun ever.
Yep. And I get to keep doing it.
It's an achievement. Upgrading your car, seeing what it does.
Yeah, they say that your car is, an extension of you. You know? Some people copy other styles. Some people create their own styles, and
Because that's why your car's a big, rear entrance.
I love it. I love it.
Oh, it's a big boot.
Yeah.
Big booty. You call them boots here?
Yeah, I do. We got fat booties out there. I do like a car with a big butt, though. Some cars have racks.
Definitely gonna get this video banned.
Don't worry. If I'm still on YouTube, you guys will be fine.
I feel like you're out there just pushing the limits.
Yeah,
See
literally.
what you get away with.
And then the limit went when I got my second strike. But it's good now. I'm clear. Yeah, I'm back. I'm good standard again. I love that shit. I can do that all day.
Almost smack him with the rear end.
Yeah. Yeah. And then keep
Like
going.
that Tesla.
Oh, fuck.
Didn't expect it to get that wild.
Yeah, no.
These tires are definitely gone.
Yeah, they're done.
Sorry about that, Adam.
How's it feel from back then? Oh, and we're back already. We're good.
Oh, enjoyed it?
Yeah, loved it. Food was great. Car was great. Everything, weather's great. I love it here in Australia. I'm gonna be back so many times. You got another drift event, invite me.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, come down. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, yeah.
If the car lasts, might be invited back.
Oh, easy.
Like we've been here before. Alright, yeah.
Easy. I'll just drive straight tomorrow. Don't worry, I'm scaring these guys a little bit. Asian driver, no survivor. Kidding. Appreciate you.
Now go check out those Australian torts, I reckon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like it, subscribe. See you next time.
Peace.
It's a plastic packet of goodness. Chips, chicken salt, lamb and chicken, barbecue sauce, chili sauce, garlic sauce, drizzled all over the top to make the beautiful HSP.